Air quality control is crucial in densely populated public places. Plasma purification technology can effectively kill bacteria and odors, enhancing people's experience and health and safety. Large air conditioning ventilation units are the core of the entire airport air circulation. Plasma technology can be integrated into existing systems, enhancing purification efficiency without affecting existing functions. It can effectively reduce the static electricity content in the air, enhance filtration efficiency and air conditioning operation efficiency, and save 35%–75% of energy consumption for air conditioning or fresh air duct operation. Eddaair ionization technology can kill harmful bacteria and viruses with the highest efficiency and quickly remove odors. It can be disinfection and sterilization in all directions, not restricted by dead angle, and can coexist with human and machine, suitable for public places such as airports, hospitals, schools, and commercial centers. Eddaair has always been committed to developing efficient and safe plasma air disinfection and purification technologies, which are at the forefront of the world. With professional and precise solutions, they have solved numerous air problems in public places.